very important for all of us to be healthy. That's the reason that we quite often visit a doctor. In this case, for our routine checkups, but we are human beings, so sometimes we fall sick and we visit a doctor in that case also. So sometimes we visit a general practitioner when you have common cold, flu or fever, etc. And sometimes you go to a specific doctor when you have a specific problem. Like if someone has a problem related to heart, he will go to a heart specialist, right? These are the common terms. We know the doctors by these common terms like heart specialist. Or for example, if someone has a problem related to his eyes, he will go to an eye specialist, right? So these are the common names. We call the doctors by these names like heart specialist, eye specialist. In the same way, if some child has some problem, then we visit a doctor who treats children, right? But it is very important for all of us to know about the specific name for these doctors who are special or specialist in a particular field, because a general practitioner provides primary care for common health issues, but a specialist focus on specific areas. Okay, so if we have any problem in a specific area like eyes, heart, brain or something else, then we must know the doctors by their profession's name. So hello everyone, welcome to Explore More and Learn. I am Dr. Anshul and today I have brought a very informative video because this is related to our day-to-day life and it's very important for us to know doctors' professions with specializations. So let's start this video quickly without wasting our time. So we must know that this specialist is a specialist in this area. So what should we call this doctor exactly? So which department we should visit for a particular problem? So let's start. First of all, I'll start with the doctor who focuses on allergies and the immune system. What do we call that doctor? So that doctor is called allergist or immunologist. Okay, so because he is dealing with immune system, so he will be called immunologist, okay, or allergist. Now the doctor who administers anesthesia for pain relief during surgeries and procedures. If you have heard about anesthesia, so it is anesthesia is given to the patient for the pain relief, okay, during surgeries and procedures. So what do we call that doctor? Let's know about him. That is called anesthesiologist. Anesthesiologist. Now the doctor who treats heart and blood vessel conditions, what do we call that doctor? That doctor is called cardiologist. Okay, so in place of calling him heart specialist, we should call him specifically cardiologist. Okay, so if you have any problem related to your heart or blood vessel condition like high BP and all, then you must visit a cardiologist. Okay, now next, the doctor who handles conditions of the skin, hair or nails. Then to whom should we visit? Then we must visit a dermatologist. Okay, now the doctor who deals with hormone related disorders and the endocrine system, then we must visit endocrinologist. Okay, endocrinologist. Now a doctor who specializes in digestive system disorder. So if you have any disorder related to digestion or stomach, then to whom you must visit? You must visit a gastroenterologist. Okay, gastroenterologist. Now the doctor who cares for women's reproductive health and manages pregnancy and children. Then to whom you must visit a gynecologist or obstetrician. Okay, obstetrician. Now the doctor who focuses on blood disorders, then in that case we must visit a hematologist. Okay. Now the doctor who manages kidney related diseases and maintains kidney function, then who is that called? The doctor is called nephrologist. So you must visit a nephrologist if someone in your family has kidney related disease or issues. Okay. Now the next. So the one who diagnoses and treats nervous system disorders, who is that called? That doctor is called neurologist. So if you have any disorders like nervous system disorder, then you must visit a neurologist. Now a doctor who specializes in eye care and vision, who is that doctor called? So in general way or in common terms we say eye specialist, but the exact name of his profession is ophthalmologist. Again I'll pronounce it ophthalmologist. Okay, so that is a doctor who specializes in eye care and vision. So the doctor who addresses issues involving bones, joints, muscles and ligaments. Okay, so especially we commonly know that doctor like bone specialist or the one who treats anything related to bones like bone fractures or hairline fractures, etc. So that doctor is known as orthopedic surgeon. All right. Now the doctor who manages the health of children. Okay, if your child is not well or if you want to visit a doctor for vaccination of your child, then who is that doctor? So the doctor who manages the health of children is known as pediatrician. Okay. Now the doctor who interprets medical images like x-rays, CT scans and MRIs. So what do we call? That is known as radiologist. So these were the names of the doctors' professions with their specializations. So in place of calling those doctor just like general practitioners, start calling them by their professions names. So it will definitely help you searching a specific doctor for a specific problem. So thank you for watching this video. Very soon I'll upload another video which can be informative for you. So till then, take care. Bye bye.